Oh, we're on TV, sorry. Oops.
We didn't know that long time.
Oh, I didn't.
It's just an idiot.
All right, for something to smile about this morning, Hanky and Panky will attempt to place the tea bags on the top of our hats, after which we will do the reverse and place the tea bag where them did come from.
Wait, no, what? Hanky?
Yeah.
Hanky?
So we're going to take it out of
Hanky?
the... Yes, Panky.
What you say we must do?
So we're going to put it on. The tea bags, make a move this so you can see. The tea bags are in the cup already.
Yeah.
We're going to put on the cap so the tea bags will come out and we're going to try to flick it up in the cap.
Onto our cap top or onto the brims?
As long as it go up on the cap.
Okay.
Why this feels so heavy?
Because it's a good rain. And then, you say we're going to reverse back it?
And we'll go...
reverse back it so like...
Yeah. Reverse back.
Oh, no!
Do not start.
We have to put
all right, hold on. Look at this video, folks, so you can work with us. This one look like you can do it at home, you know. Although you might mess up the place a little bit. Well, the first thing we need to try to do is pull out this. All right?
Then you're not going to knock out yourself?
Yeah.
However, guys, I don't see like their tea bag is wet.
And I don't see them trying to put it back in no cup. So I think them just give us an extra thing to do. So ours is a little different.
See there? Oh no, did you say oh no on the video?
Oh no.
Oh my God. Hey.
Well, then say if you open an umbrella inside, you're not going to get married. So if you put on a raincoat inside.
It means you're not going to divorce.
Okay then.
Oh no!
Oh no!
My zip cannot go up.
Hold on.
Oh no!
Panky, I'm gonna leave you still.
Well, on your Anki most.
Anki most.
Jesus, be a bridge.
All right.
Wait, see what you know. People, I have a work to go to after this.
Really?
Remember? We look up drunk.
No, son. It's jump. What's that? What's that? Oh, that means me ears.
I think a part of the aim is for the cap to stay on.
Right? I have this under control, you know. But I feel the bag them too far apart.
Makeup, because tea is running down my...
All right, see it here now. See it here now.
Oh, wait. This is not bad. This is not bad. Wait, don't separate up back.
Oh. Where's the other one there?
Makeup.
Hold on, me have one somewhere. Wait there. It cuts, no?
My tea bag tie up. Panky, Anki, help me also. Ready? Oh, you don't know. On the mark. Catch your set. Go. Look like I'm good with tea bag. I drink a lot of it. I do. What? Anki?
I know my big ears is good for something. I always don't say my ears good for something, you know.
Animal. Catch set. Go. Why are you so violent with it? Maybe you have to be gentle. Renz?
You know the other thing I'm concerned about? What is this water, by the way?
We have to drink it when we're done. Oh my God, this is a very violent exercise, you know. No, 3 for 3, honestly.
No, you don't get that right, you know.
Yes, I have.
No, it is supposed to be on the cap.
It is.
No, it is resting on your glasses.
It's not. Look.
Panky.
Panky, it's right. Look there. It's resting onto it. Don't reach my glass yet.
But you
want company?
No, I just want to give her a chance to do it right.
Ready?
All right, watch me now, folks.
Ready, Max? Get set. The way you flang your entire body like you don't realize it's supposed to be a... Okay, now mine.
Yeah, the plan. It can't pass my ears.
Oh, look, this is a good thing. This is a very good thing. Don't unravel, don't unravel. I told you not to unravel. Jesus. No, sir. I would have worked this, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, well, I know, I'm going to show you something that is going to be amazing now.
That's not hard for the full, sir. No, never yak. Wait, one more time. Pick up your hat, pick up your hat. Come. From yesterday now. Like Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
And we are doing it now.
We're gonna flang it onto the front. Ready? On the mark. On the mark. Well, hanky your tea bag proper tie up. Hanky will solve it.
You know, so every time I see myself on TV, you know, I never know I'm so handsome.
Yeah, it's true.
Eh?
On the mark.
Well, you know, say me a good looking
boy.
boy.
Front of it. Set.
Ready?
Catch.
Where my one there? But me don't feel nothing.
You have to. This feel like dirty one. This feel like one for step up in the club and dance from a dove and
I feel like we have fight.
where's the other one?
Come makeup, come.
No man, this
Come makeup. Yeah, is there? You
I would like to
have
just
television
make a
face. You can
disclaimer.
come.
We are really
This is Renzani.
grown people with good sense.
Yeah.
I will do things outside of this that are perfectly adult. So don't be fooled by what you see here. We don't bad. But soon come back. Wait, let me read the link. Oh, that was our something to smile about. And
Oh, we're back on TV.
no! Your raincoat, jump off!
All right.
Don't finish it.
Coming up, let's journal about dating. Where you go?